Hi friends, welcome back to our 18 job options for a mechanical engineer part 7, automobile sector jobs for a mechanical engineer part B. In this video, let us discuss about Indian automobile industry, skills needed to get jobs in automobile sector, higher studies options in automobile sector, top softwares used in automobile sector, the job roles and responsibility in automobile sector, how do we get jobs in automobile industry as a fresher. In this first, automobile industry. The automobile industry comprises a wide range of companies and organizations involved in the design, development, manufacturing, marketing, and selling of motor vehicles. The automobile industry in India is the world's fourth largest with an annual turnover of $100 billion and employs 32 million people. India was the largest manufacturer of tractors and the second largest bus manufacturer in 2020. India was the largest producer of two and three wheelers across the globe. India was the world's fourth largest manufacturer of cars and seventh largest manufacturer of commercial vehicle in 2019. Now, skills needed to get jobs in automobile sector. The automobile industry is a wide range of companies and organizations involved in the design, development, manufacturing, marketing and selling of motor vehicles. An automotive engineer can work in various departments such as production, product design, product engineering, research and development, etc. It is one of the world's most important economic sector by revenue. Skills required for an automobile sector engineer should have basic theoretical knowledge on the working and mechanism of various parts in the automobile, including mechanical system, electrical system, electronic system, etc. Should have working knowledge on some modeling and finite element softwares like CATIA, ProE, Nastron, ANSYS, HyperMesh, ANSA, and Solvay, etc. Get yourself update with all the latest happenings in and around the automobile field. It is nice to know about the development phase of an automobile from concept to production. Should have gained exposure by interning at an authorized service center. Should have good communication and problem solving skills, data analysis skills, ability to work in teams, good interpersonal skills, root cause analysis tools such as Sigma, world class manufacturing, design for Six Sigma, etc. Get additional license and or education degrees. Next, higher studies options in an automobile sector. BTech mechanical engineers and automobile engineers can do their masters in automobile engineering in India or abroad. Top companies will get pick candidates from top institutes only. Top Indian institutes to pursue MTech in automobile engineering are Hindustan University Chennai, Amity School of Engineering and Technology New Delhi, National Institute of Technology Warangal, Manipal Institute of Technology Karnataka, KR Mangalam University New Delhi. These are the top colleges pursuing MTech in Indian sector. Now let us see some top abroad universities for masters in automotive engineering. University of Leeds, United Kingdom, RWTH University, Germany, Eindhoven University of Technology, Netherlands, RMIT University, Australia, University of Toronto, Canada, etc. are the top abroad universities which studies automobile engineering. In automobile sector, job chances are more in foreign universities. To enroll for masters in automotive engineering in abroad, prerequisites such as CV or resume, letter of recommendation, bachelor's degree, English proficiency test, IELTS 6.5 or TOEFL 80 or PTE 65 scores are required. Now let us see some top software used in automobile sector. The automotive industry is going towards an era where cars will communicate to each other and to drivers. These advancements in technology have challenged automotive makers to incorporate automotive software solutions that will offer greater utility and convenience into their customer. Software solutions have turned into a core part of the mechanical industry. There are different types of automotive softwares available that improve safety, overall performance and customer experience, etc. Some type of softwares used in automobile industries are vehicle safety software, vehicle navigation software, autopilot software, garage management software, design softwares, etc. Now let us see some softwares commonly used in automobile industry. First, some design softwares, CAD softwares. AutoCAD, CATIA, and we have CATIA ICEM Surf also. ProE or CREO, SolidWorks, Inventor, Unigraphics or Siemens NX, Autodesk Alias. Now let us see some analysis and simulation software commonly used in automobile industry. First one is ANSYS, HyperWorks, Rhinoceros, Nastron, Autodesk CFD, etc. are these. The software using by well-known companies can see in the screen. Toyota using CATIA, PTC, CREO, GM uses Siemens NX, etc. Studying all these softwares or some of these softwares will be added qualification in your automobile career. Next, the job roles and responsibilities in automobile sector. An automobile engineer can work on any stage of the manufacturing process, starting from initial design to final production. Some automotive engineers focus on one area of their specialty, while others have the opportunity to participate in all aspects of the product development process, playing a more general role. Typical job activities include designing and producing visual interpretations of automobile and their components using computer-aided design packages, analysis data to develop new designs for various mechanical, electromechanical and hydraulic component and systems, building prototypes of components, developing test procedures and conducting tests using software packages and physical testing methods, supervising and inspecting the installation, modification and commissioning of mechanical systems in industrial facilities or plants while supervising quality assurance, investigating mechanical failures or unexpected maintenance problems, supervising quality control, etc. Now let us see how do we get jobs in automobile industry as a fresher. Some tips to get jobs in automobile companies. Study mechanical engineering subjects thoroughly and prepare for the competitive exam during college time itself. For automobile sector jobs, we need practical experience more than theoretical knowledge. So for acquiring practical knowledge, try to do internship training or apprenticeship training in any good organization. Get in early if you want to have career in automobile sector. It is very difficult to do lateral switch from any other sector to this industry. In India, the BTech or BE is the minimum qualification for R&D. However, higher qualification like MS, PhD to have significant demand. Read employment news and check different job portals regularly. Apply for all job offers and prepare for their competitive exams. Automotive engineering is an amalgamation of mechanical, electrical, electronics, software engineering and material science. So study these subjects thoroughly. Study most of the softwares said in this video, or at least some of the main softwares are essential for becoming design engineer in automobile sector. Do a certificate course in any of the some design softwares. Develop the skill on drawing, reading and interpretation skill, something that is very important and highly recommended for a designer. Some tips to get jobs in automobile sector as a fresher. Do automobile sector related internship projects and publication from the study time itself. An impressive portfolio could be an added advantage. Build a good resume, one page. Resume should speak the academic work which relates to the automobile sector interest. Try to study in the top rated college because these companies never visit private college which have low ratings. From college time itself, try to join SAE, Society of Automobile Engineers, and do some activities and mention it in resume. These are the some top companies placed in Indian automobile sector. That's all for this video. As you know, we are identifying 18 different fields that a mechanical engineering can do his career. For the next career option, marine field jobs for a mechanical engineer video, please visit for the next video. For the details of next categories of industries, please wait for the next video. Thank you.